pwrpas yr adnodd yw i feithrin sgiliau llafar plant sy'n dechrau dysgu Cymraeg fel ail iaith yn y cyfnod sylfaen. Does na ddim llawer o bethau ar gyfer plant yn y cyfnod sylfaen sy'n dechrau dysgu Cymraeg fel ail iaith, felly mae'n braf i weld adnodd apelgar a deniadol ar eu cyfer nhw. Mae'n braf hefyd bod na gymorth ieithyddol ar gyfer ein hymarferwyr ni. Does dim llawer o ymarferwyr gyda ni sydd yn hollol rhugl yn y Gymraeg yn dysgu Cymraeg fel ail iaith yn ein hysgolion ni, felly mae'n braf bod na gyfieithiad a bod na eirfa Cymraeg ar eu cyfer nhw gyda'r adnodd hefyd. Dwi'n siŵr bydd na ddefnydd mawr i'r adnodd hyn mewn ysgolion sydd yn dysgu Cymraeg fel ail iaith.
As a Year 1 teacher in the foundation phase, we found the resources really engaging and colourful for the children. The characters are familiar with the children because they're off Welwch, so the children can recognise them and they become familiar with them really quickly. There's a range of vocabulary in the books, so we can use it throughout all areas of the foundation phase, linking it to topics rather than just individual Welsh sessions. The children have been immediately hooked with the resources, they're colourful, they're really inviting and engaging, and it's really promoted the use of Welsh for the children. Some of the children have chosen to use the resources in their own time as well, which didn't really happen a lot in class prior to this. A huge asset to us in the resource for second language Welsh. We haven't got many Welsh speakers in our school, whereas the pronunciation of all the Welsh words is in the book for the adults as well, so we can use them with support staff and teachers who aren't confident with the Welsh language.